Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check your location history in Google Maps. This is a really useful feature if you want to revisit places you've been to before or track your travel patterns over time. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will take you directly to the Google Maps homepage where you can access all your mapping and location features. Once the page loads, you'll be ready to start exploring your history. Now take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a search bar sitting prominently there. This is the main search field where you'd normally type in addresses or places you want to find. Go ahead and click on that search bar. When you click it, you're not just activating the search function, you're also opening up access to your recent searches and location history. After clicking the search bar, a menu will appear with various options. Look for the option that says More from Recent History and click on it. This will expand your view to show a more comprehensive list of places you've recently searched for or visited. It's a quick way to dive deeper into your past activity without having to scroll through everything. Alternatively, if you want another way to access this information, you can simply look on the left side of the screen again. You'll see an option labeled Recent. Click on that and it will take you to the same destination, showing you all your recent location activity in Google Maps. Once you've clicked either of these options, you'll now be able to see your complete location history displayed right there in Google Maps. This view will show you all the places you've searched for, navigated to, or saved recently. You can scroll through this history to find specific locations, revisit favorite spots, or even delete entries if you want to clean up your search history. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed your location history in Google Maps using two different methods. Whether you prefer using the search bar or the recent button, you now have quick access to all your past locations whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.